Hi, welcome to Bedtime Stories. My name is Nicole, and I'm your host. I appreciate your company tonight. The story tonight is The Gift of the Enchanted Dwarves. If you enjoyed my story, please remember to bookmark, like, and follow. Your support is appreciated. Once upon a time, a lonely little girl named Alia lived in a distant village. Her family was poor, and life was tough, but she remained optimistic and hopeful. One day, Alia got lost in the woods near the village. She wandered through unfamiliar trees, feeling lost. Suddenly, she heard a faint sound, a sort of enchanting melody. Following this beautiful tune, she arrived at a meadow covered in green grass. In the meadow, she saw a group of dwarves, dressed in vibrant clothes with sparkling hats, joyfully dancing. Most strikingly, each dwarf held a gem with a mysterious glow. Approaching Alia, an elder dwarf, adorned in a dazzling golden robe, smiled and said, "Dear child, how did you find our enchanted realm?" Alia explained her situation, and the elder dwarf nodded. He then extended his hand, placing a sparkling gem in Alia's palm. This gem emitted a warm light, as if possessing boundless magic. "This is a gem from our enchanted realm, possessing magical powers. It will help you overcome life's difficulties and grant you happiness and courage," the elder dwarf explained. Filled with gratitude, Alia held onto the gem, feeling a warm energy flowing into her heart. From that day on, her life took a different turn. Regardless of the challenges she faced, the gem guided her, showing her the way to solutions. Alia became more optimistic, using the gem's power to help people in the village. The dwarves, pleased with Alia's kindness, decided to open the doors to their enchanted realm every year on the same day, sharing their joy and blessings with the village. From then on, the people in the village knew that as long as they maintained faith during difficult times, the magical meadow and the friendly dwarves would bring them happiness and hope. With her kind heart, Alia became the pride and radiance of the entire village.